Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Venza. Toyota Venza blends the attributes of a crossover SUV with those of a wagon. Venza boasts a spacious interior, a powerful and efficient engine, a pleasant driving demeanor, innovative interior storage, and strong crash test scores. You're more than one thing, so is Venza. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: active grille shutters, stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, battery saver, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, ambient lighting, traction control, adaptive cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.